How to use the standby mode on your iPhone. So firstly, we want to open your settings and turn on the standby. So go here down and click standby and make sure to enable all these options. So my standby is turned on and also the night mode is turned on. So standby displays with red tint in low ambient lighting. Now we want to enter the standby mode. So you need to flip your phone like this. If you click the lock button, your standby mode will not turn on. You have to plug in the charging cable to your phone. So I'm gonna do it right now. This is my cable. Plug it in. And as you can see, the standby mode was activated. And here you can simply swipe up or swipe down to change modes. Here is the analog clock, some other type of clocks. Here is the calendar or the date and your location and the daylight and night light. And also if you reduce the light in your room, it will automatically change to the red tint color. So I'm gonna reduce as you can see, it's the red light and it's better looking in the night when it's darker. If I move here the lamp, it's changed to another color. So that's the night mode, and this is how you can use the standby mode on your iPhone. Make sure that it's connected and it's switched to the right side or left side. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.